Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, InterpTo. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the InterpTo node and discussing its functionality. This node allows us to change from one float value to another over a defined amount of time in a linear gliding motion. We have the ability to define the amount of time it takes to glide to the target value and what we want the target value to be. You will most likely be using this node in conjunction with another node, such as the value node, which has triggers to initiate this value change. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.